You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting phobia name for more surprising phobia names and ones that are very difficult to pronounce. Make sure to stay tuned, I've got more for you. So that's the abnormal fear, or the phobia, of ketchup. Yes, you've heard it correctly. Mortuusequusphobia. As a whole word, Mortuusequusphobia, the fear of ketchup. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.